How to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply make a digital planner. So before we get started, let me tell you what a digital planner is. Basically, it is like a calendar of your entire year, and in there you can actually write your plans, your activities for the said day, for the said week, or for the said month. So in here, I'm going to show you how to make one using our Canva application. So first, we just need to open our browser and go to canva.com. Make sure that you sign into your Canva account. Now here we have our Canva homepage. What we're going to do is to simply select or go to the search bar right here. Now what we're going to search for or type in the search bar is digital planner. Okay. So you can choose or you can opt to start from scratch. However, we could also look for templates right here in Canva and we can edit the template right out. Okay. Now here in the template section, basically it will route. Okay. Now here are some of the templates for the digital planner. Okay. So you have a daily planner. What else? We also have like a um 30-day self-care challenge or a weekly planner as well, and a wedding planner. So say for instance, we're gonna make a daily planner, okay? Or say for example, we're having a weekly planner. So let's make use of this one right here, okay? Now let's click on the template and I'm gonna make use of this one as my weekly planner, or let's simply choose this, a simpler option. Okay, now let's customize this template. When we customize this template, we will basically be routed to this section right here. So, say for example, we're going to have this weekly planner here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to simply edit our planner. So first, I'm gonna edit the header right here. Instead of weekly planner, I'm gonna put my week-long plans instead. Okay. Now, after which we are going to see or have week of, and then here I'm just gonna put week. All right. Now I'm gonna simply not choose to edit this portion right here. For the background, what we're going to do is we're going to simply choose a background color right here, and I'm going to go for a gradient color. Okay, let's try to see which fits best. All right. Now we can also try a solid color right here. Okay. Um, Let me see which suits best. Okay. Let's try to have this color. Okay. Now that we have chosen a color, the next thing that we're going to do is to add some elements. So here in the element section in the left-hand side, let's just click on it. And basically, you just need to think of what kind of planner you would want to have or what kind of design you would like to have for your planner. So say for example, um, let's look for cute stickers. Okay, now here, basically we will be routed to this page. I'm going to the graphics section in order for me to see more options. Okay, now if you see this icon right here below the picture, it means to say it's only available for pro planners. Okay, let's make use of a butterfly. Okay, now since our butterfly is actually the same color or of the same style as to our background color, let's try to change our color of the butterfly. Okay, there you have it. Now let's just put this in the back. Okay, right. Now for this section, I want to make the lines actually really thicker. So here in the line style, I'm gonna click on that one and add weight to it. Okay, you can add weight to that one. You could also have this style if you want to and whatnot. Okay, for the line color, let's stick to black there. Now I would like to add some um, notes right here or some elements right here inside the box. Let me add some squares and let me reposition it. Basically, right. And then let's delete this one. Okay, let's add this. Basically, we cannot. Okay, let's try to delete this one right here. Delete. Okay. Okay. So we can actually add some graphics like this, and we can put this inside the box. Okay. And we can duplicate it and add it to Tuesday. Duplicate it again. And we can add this one to our Thursday and simply follow the process. Okay, gonna input it here, then here, this section, let's place it right here. Okay, let's duplicate it one more time. And there you have it. Let's just adjust this a bit. Okay, there. All right, now if we want to change the font styles, then we can actually do that. Let me just edit this one right here. Okay, so when we change the font styles, we're simply gonna click on this one, and then we're gonna choose the font style of our style. So I want a, okay, so for all pop-ins, we can change all, and then basically it will change the font of everything. Now, for our header, we're gonna try a different one. Okay, there. Let's try to make it bolder. Okay, there. And then you could also add some more elements if you would want to, like some flowers, for instance. Let's add a flower right here. Okay, and there. Let's just simply edit the colors since it's not suiting our, and there. So basically, once you're done editing, all you need to do is to go to share and simply download it. Now here, what we're going to do is to choose JPEG since we're going to download it on Etsy. Okay, once it has been downloaded, what we're going to do next is to simply go to your Etsy listing page. All right, so here in our listing section, What you're going to do is to simply add the photo that you have created from Canva, and then there. So that is how it would look like. If you want to adjust the thumbnail, you can do so. And you could also add a video if you would want to. Now in this section, you just need to input your listing details and hit on save and continue. And that's how you create a digital planner to sell on Etsy. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.